हमारे लिए ये यात्रा जनता से जुड़ने की यात्रा है और जो नुकसान बीजेपी आरएसएस की विचारधारा ने देश का किया है, जो देश को बांटा है, नफरत फैलाई है, उसके खिलाफ हमने ये यात्रा निकाली। दिस कंट्री विच हैज मल्टीपल विजन्स, one vision is being enforced. Now the yatra is a step to do that. The bringing together the opposition, this will of course help that, but that is a separate exercise. Of course this yatra has a Congress party political element to it, and it has to, because it is a Congress party yatra and there are many people who are working in it. But I agreed to join this yatra partially because I believe in the ideals of the Congress party, and I think that it's important that those ideals are spread in the country, and partially because I thought that this would be a very good experience for me personally. I think it's a powerful thing to do, not just from the political standpoint, but from a personal standpoint. It's not an easy thing to do, and I thought it would be worthwhile to do that from a personal journey perspective.